Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Here is coffee time. This is Sami again here, and today is 12th July 2023 and long live the king. Okay, without further ado, let's go to the code and let's see what I want to do and what's the point. These days I want to talk to my PCs, as you know here, and we use voice commands instead of buttons and clicks or those things. And now I thought, okay, when you talk to your PC and when you say something, okay, just get that word and translate it to other language also, and put all those three words in my database and know which word belongs to other word. Okay, for this, uh, this was our application here, which normally uh, so just nothing special, just you talk to and it accepts some commands and execute some task. Okay, but uh, here what I would like to see, because I want to learn also. For example, if you go back to first video of this channel, it's recorded in Brussels, okay, and they talk French also there, and I thought, okay, now let's let's uh, let's put that also. First of all, I'm coming here to ChatGPT, and it's telling me you have to use translate Google API, which I don't like to use API in this case, because this is for my private, and API, I don't like to have API, for example, and that's why um, other approach needed, and that is dictionary, old school way. It accept two pairs. Okay, I want to say, for example, first hello, second bonjour, okay, and so on. I'm going to develop it. Okay, that is not efficient way, but that is just a way to talk and just get result back. And here I have a list of string, which is English word. I'm going to pass my string words here, and then French translation is coming also in this list, and in the next for loop I get my translated back. Okay, and now first of all, let me go here to database. Oh no, I mean, let me show you something. First of all, I need a database to put these words there. Okay, that's why I need here a model, which is here, translation word. I have made this class, which is very simple, very easy, very easy. Integer as translation ID as unique number for database, English word, Farsi, Dutch, French, and these are unknowable. And I like to add also here other one, prop, which is will be the string one. Actually, it's a string, but a nullable string. If it's null, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then that is Spanish. Okay, I will say, when I say an English word, you search, fill this data. If you find it, very nice. If not, leave it just zero, null. Okay, this is simple class. And now let's go to application DB context. I have to add it here also for entity framework to understand that. Okay, that's also here. And what was the next? I'm going to build it first, I mean rebuild it first. When it's done, I'm coming here to console manager, which is now here, package manager console, and here, like before, I will say, for example, add migration, because I add new data to my context, and this is the way, add migration, and the name added translation word. Okay, because maybe later you need it. Add migration. What was problem? Add migration is not why big daddy. Oh, okay, that's your problem. Add migration here add migration. Let's execute this one, and voila, build succeed. And wait a moment, now this is what we get. A Spanish word added because that was that exists. And here just update the database, and then voila, database, enter. And now let's check it out. Before I'm getting here 90 temperature gets really let me go here to SQL server. Here, let's go to that direction here, which is database, system database, and here is master. And if I'm going expand tables here, what I'm getting back here, I expect to get two database, which is information and translation word. Translation word, I want to open it. I'm going to open it, and let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. PC dies. PC dies. PC dies. PC dies. Vavela. Come on, Big Daddy. Execute that. View data. Okay. I have here database English word, which I test before. And then now I have here other languages also. Here the word is complain. And now I want to say, for example, if you say complain, I don't know how you fill these fields here. What is the complain in Dutch, French, Spanish? At Dutch, I want to remove Dutch because fuck off. Sorry, but and now, I mean, let's stay here. Let's back to the code. That's database. Okay, that's database, and here I have same code. Here in my choice, I say I have here English word. In first step, I say I have this. Let me say here this is not enough or well enough. Or let me say first of all, let me do it with little bit. For example, I'm going to do it with 10. And if you learn 5 words each day, that is enough. More than enough. And now I'm going to close this here and close this, write this, and here I say okay, I have here something about 20 words and 20 English words, and I'm going now to translation. I say give me exact these words in French, Spanish, and that word, okay, because I want to make one-time application. Here I'm going to Google, I mean not here, Big Daddy, Google. I'm going here, translate Google. When I'm here, I say this is my English word, and now you give me exact the same order in French. When I have this,
capable à propos de au-dessus, accepter,
accident, compréhension, lele. Okay. I say okay, I'm going to copy this. This is exact the same as here, but just I'm saying here, okay, this is French order. Okay, and then I'm saying here, Big Daddy, save it. What I'm doing, I say okay, now give me a Spanish one. Give me a Spanish one. And when I have a Spanish, say
capaz, sobre, arriba,
arriba, accidente,
puerta,
preciso,
a través de, actuar,
activo. Okay, this is also French order of that list. Okay, I'm saying here, Spanish order, which wants to be this, and then close this. This is just a comment. First of all, let's imagine this is my English word, because when you talk to something, it's not coming to recognize something. You have to be connected to a database. It's not coming from thin air. When you see, okay, when you talk and you get something back, it should connect to somewhere. Database coming from somewhere. Where is somewhere? In this case, here is somewhere, which is my database in this case. This is my word. It can also be 1,000,000 words. It doesn't matter. But here now, let's say if I say here, for example, accept, you program just recognize accept and put it in database in first step. Okay, if you put it in database, and then I know how I'm going further. First do that. I want to see that. For that, if you back to our client, that was like this. If you say something, if you play music, you have here some option here. If you say Tupac, it's open that, and I had some musics here. Okay, and now here, let's say if music's not play, which is in else case here, if it's playing else, I want to say, okay, if the text now here, let's say, take what the fuck is text now, accept, accident. I say if a text is accident, then I'm going to instantiate to make an object of that class, and here I say, okay, the text is just this one because it's coming from there result. Okay, and then just save it here, make a new object, and then does this and save it, and then report that is added to database. Let's first of all go for that. Okay, I'm coming here, I'm clicking here, and I want to say accident, and I expect accident goes to my database. Accident. Your text was that, and then now let's come to database. Refresh. I got exact accident in my database. There is no problem here. Let's say again accident, and then I'll refresh again. Second one, accident. And now here, let's make a mechanism. If that word exists in database, you just do nothing. Yeah. Here for that, I want to make something. Here. When you hear accident, I want to say here, let me go to the VC. I'm coming so back. Just 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Let's test. Let's test it here. If you hear a word, first check database. Here, I say here, I have here a var as check my database, for example, database, and that wants to be my context dot. I want to get translation word dot translation words dot to string to list okay, to list. Or I say no, I say translation dot words dot where c dot see that translation word in English is equal to e-text dot result. Each time you hear accident or you hear that, just show me, just first check it. Let me say there's accident here. If I say here accident, that is okay, and that's also okay because this is hard coded. If I say here you hear accident or that variable, it doesn't matter. Okay, if this is null, what it say? Okay, and now if where is it, 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 check my database is equal is if it's null, it say you can put it in database. Yo, if it's null, put it. Big Daddy, if it's null, put it there. Okay, if it's da, that's it. If it's null, it's mean that word it's not in our database and we wanna have it. Okay, else for example rich text word is in your database, and then you want to say word already exists in your database. Okay, let's check it again. We have now accident in our database. Let's check it out. First of all, wait. First of all, I'm going to remove my database because I told here go to translate where is equal to accident. We have two data there, okay? And you can also true and false, and I'm going this way. Just change it if you want. I say here I have one accident word in my database, which is now here, a complaint accident. Okay, I don't know why these two words, bro. God, I don't know. Really, I don't know. It's coming by self. Okay, two words. Now let's fire this application up. Let's go to the voice tab and just click here. Accident already exists in database, and let's check database. Voila, no other word. Okay, if word exists now, we get on very nicely database. Okay, and now let's say for example you want translate it to French. Let me first of all go here. I want to close this. Let me see what let me see. Just wait a moment. Let me first run this one for a while. If my PC gets really hot, I'm going to stop it. Just no hurry, just next part. This is slowly, just to stay busy with. If I'm coming here and say, if I say Big Daddy, it show me temperature because button removed. Big Daddy 84, 82, 84. Okay, 84. I don't know. I'm going to the next. I'm going to record. I'm going to stop this here, and next part is coming. Have a nice day. Link GitHub.